In this journey, we will explore the reasons bananas grow in a curved shape rather than straight. We will learn how bananas, like many plants, have adapted to their environment by bending toward the sunlight, which is essential for their growth and survival. In each step, we will uncover the relationship between light and the growth of bananas, leading us to appreciate this fruit's unique form. By the end, we will have a deeper understanding of the natural processes shaping the bananas we see and enjoy every day. The journey of a banana begins as a small shoot emerging from the ground. As the soil warms under the sun, the shoot pushes upward. This early stage is crucial, as it's the plant's initial effort to reach for light. The light helps the plant develop energy through a process called photosynthesis. This upward growth is straight at first. The excitement of initial growth must be nurtured, as the plant is only beginning to respond to its environment. As the shoot continues to grow upward, it begins to sense the presence of sunlight. Plants are equipped with special cells that help them detect light. These cells guide the plant to grow toward the light. This adjustment is a natural response known as phototropism. The banana plant, like many others, uses this response to ensure it maximizes its exposure to sunlight, which is vital for its health and energy production. As the banana plant grows taller, this gentle bending toward the light starts to become noticeable. While the shoot initially rises straight, the influence of sunlight causes various parts of the plant to adjust their angles. The topmost part of the plant, where the bananas will eventually grow, actively moves toward the sun. This gradual angle change allows the plant to make the most of available light, ensuring it collects as much energy as possible. As bananas continue to grow, their weight influences the curve of the plant. Bananas form in clusters on the banana flower, growing larger over time. Once they start developing, the weight of the bananas begins to pull the stem downward. This additional weight, combined with the plant's initial inclination toward the light, accentuates the curve further. This balance between light-seeking and weight distribution shapes the familiar arc of bananas. The curve growth continues as the bananas mature. While they are still green, the curvature becomes more pronounced. This shape ensures that as they ripen, the bananas receive adequate sunlight and air circulation. This careful positioning aids in their development, allowing the fruit to grow optimally. The plant remains responsive to its surroundings, adapting naturally to maintain balance and health. As the bananas ripen, they change colour from green to yellow. This transformation happens over time, showing the energy the plant has collected during its growth. The curve remains prominent throughout this process. This bend allows sunlight to efficiently reach all parts of the bananas, ensuring an even ripening process. Even in this stage, the plant continues to prioritize its health and nutrition through its shaping. When bananas are ready to be harvested, they do so with their curve intact. This shape has served them well throughout their growth. The bending has helped maximize their exposure to light and air, leading to healthy, delicious fruit. The curve not only aids in development, but also gives the bananas their unique look and feel, making them instantly recognizable. This simple yet effective adaptation is a beautiful example of nature's wisdom. Now that we have explored why bananas grow curved, we can appreciate their unique shape in a new light. This gentle bend, influenced by sunlight and the weight of the fruit, represents nature's adaptability. Each stage of banana growth reinforces their connection to their environment, showcasing an elegant solution for thriving. Understanding this process deepens our appreciation for these delightful fruits that nourish us in so many ways.